In a startling revelation, researchers revealed that a single sneeze can propel droplets at speeds near 100 miles per hour. The spray can travel up to 30 feet, carrying tiny particles that bypass many common masks and linger in the air. This airborne reach turns ordinary moments into potential exposure events, reminding communities to respect ventilation and air quality. The science also shows that smaller particles stay airborne longer, creating invisible trails that surprise even careful observers. From classrooms to cafes, this tiny force shapes how people think about protection, distance, and the pace of daily life.